Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to block notifications in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can get annoying when sites keep on sending you notifications through Google Chrome. So what we can do is go and block them, and we'll guide you through how that can be done. To get started, go and open up Chrome as we currently have. And what you need to do is go and head to the top right, and you can go and click the three. Come down this list and go and find the option for settings, and go and click there, and they'll open up. Then what you need to do is come over to the left and go and find the option for privacy and security. In here, you need to come down to the bottom and find the option site settings. In here, you can go and scroll down and find the option for notifications and permissions. Can go and click there, and what you can do is in default behaviors you can go and click don't allow site to send notifications, or what you can do is you can go and change the customized behaviors. So, what you could do is go and remove sites that allow you to send notifications by pressing the three dots and remove.